Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we divide both sides by number 2. So we have first derivative of y minus first derivative of y plus 2y equals to 1 over 2 e to the power of ax plus 5 over 2x, and we have number 3. Now about this one, we need to divide this one into complementary solution and particular solution. So about complementary solution, I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Next, we need to do first derivative of this one. We have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So we need to do first derivative of this one. So you got about this one in here. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s. You got about lambda. Now we do second derivative of this one. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go here, this one I will put in here, and this one I will put in here. So e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. So I will put this one equals to number 0. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have lambda equals to 1 over 2 plus 7 over 2 I, and lambda equals to 1 over 2 minus 7 over 2 I. And now we have yc equals to c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. So I will put this one go here. And we have c number 2 e to the power of 1 over 2 minus 7 over 2 I. And we have s. In this situation, we can write into the new way c1 e to the power of 1 over 2s sine 7 over 2s. And we have c number 2 e to the power of 1 over 2s cosine 7 over 2s. And this is about complementary solution. Now we go to the next one. We have e to the power of ax, s, and the constant. So yb I will put into 8 e to the power of ax plus bs plus c. Now if I do first derivative of this one, we do first the derivative of e to the power of as. We have 8a e to the power of as. First derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have b. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. And now we do second derivative. We have 64 8e to the power of 8s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Next, I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have 64 8e to the power of as minus 8a e to the power of as minus b, and we have plus number 2 multiplied by this one in here, so we have 28 e to the power of as plus 2bs plus 2c. And now we need to simplify this one, so we have 58 8e to the power of as, so we have negative b plus 2c, and we have 2bs, and we know that we have this one in here. So we need to compare coefficients. About e to the power of as, we have 58a equal to 1 over 2, so we have one equation. This one equals to number 3 in here. So we have negative b plus 2c equals to number 3. And the last one, we have 2bs. 2b equals to 5 over 2. And now we need to find the solutions of a, b, c. So about 8, we put 58 go to the right, so we have 1 over 116. About b, I will put number 2 going here, so we have 5 over 4. 5 over 4 we put in here to find the value of c. So c equals to 17 over 8. And now I will put ABC going here. So A equal to 1 over 116 e to the power of as. B, we have 5 over 4 s, and C, that is about 17 over 8. And now we have the final answer. So what C, that is about this one, and YB, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.